Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are doing a video of all dresses that you can wear for all different occasions this summer. I know a lot of us are going on vacation. And of course, thank you to Fashion Nova for sponsoring this video. You guys know I love you guys. So let's get right into the video. I don't know how many dresses I have here, but it's probably about like 15 plus, but they are all so beautiful. I like specifically got different designs of every store. I got some plain ones, I got some more provocative ones, I got some with beautiful prints, I got everything. So let's get right into it. And this is the first little dress. I put this on and I gasped. Need I say more? It looks freaking amazing. We have this little mesh moment here in the bottom. It looks like a bodysuit. It's pretty much just a bodysuit, and it ties several times in the back, and the mesh skirt just really adds some flavor to it. So cute. Also, let's have a little moment of appreciation for my 40 inches. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Hold on. So it has all this gold detailing. The boobies are just squished in and they look good. The skirt, perfect length. And when you turn around, look at all that back action. And then to top it all off, there's gloves. There's freaking gloves. Let's see how they look on. I think they're supposed to go like this. Look at how cute. So you can obviously do it with or without the little gloves, but it's still very cute. Like, I would definitely do it. Okay, next I got this cute little dress. I got this one because it looked like it was going to be mad comfortable, and honestly it is. So it has all this ruching up and down, and then you can also tie this a little bit tighter if you want to, but I'm scared to do that because it's going to get a little too short. I got this in a size extra small, and it just fits perfectly. It really squeezes in all the right areas, and this is the back. I really like casual dresses because you can always dress them up or down. Like I can wear this with some heels. I can also wear them with some sneakers. It won't look weird with some sandals, and it looks great. So all right, next up is this little cheetah dress. So this one, cheetah or leopard, you guys decide. I always get confused with cheetah and leopard. And it also does have this really pretty long slit here for some drama. And also for the top, I'm pretty sure this is not how the model wears it, but I'm just personally tying it up like this. But with a crisscross top, that's what's so fun about it, that you can really wear it any different type of way that you can even like think of tying it. But this is really cute. Also, I'm looking like mad tan. This is for me tanning. My back is so tan. I kind of look like Larry the Lobster right now. It's fine. All right, this one here is a bad example because it is so beautiful, and it goes all the way up to like past your knees a little bit. I don't have anyone here to zip me or to like scrunch me down because you guys already know like how faux leather or like leather products are super hard to put on. So this is what the back looks like. If it wasn't open, it would have like really snatched you up. It's really good though. Like, look how beautiful and mixed your curves look, and then also you do have like a really dramatic, sassy little opening in the back, so it helps you walk. I've walked in so many different dresses that are the same material and they don't have a slit in the back, so I'm just like waddling all over the place, but this one's like actually really easy to walk in. This really makes you feel like a little sausage link when you're all zipped up. It makes you nice and snatched. Okay, now coming in with a new little piece. So this one, it just gives me major candy cane, and I love it. Or like the strawberry and cream little swirly candies that your grandma has at the bottom of her purse. So pretty, and this is gorgeous. And then it also does have a string so you guys can make it shorter if you tighten it up. This is beautiful. This crisscross has been such a huge trend since like spring, and honestly living for it. It's very flattering. And then this is the back. But this dress is actually pretty long, so I'm gonna undo this and show you guys how long it actually goes. So it goes all the way down to like almost your knees. There we go. So then it can also be long. It's cute both ways, so whatever you guys prefer. Guys, this dress right here is in freaking insane. I honestly like have like such an emotional connection with this dress right now, just because it reminds me of when my mom and I used to watch like Dancing with the Stars or any of the dancing shows. She used to love watching those with me, and it's just bringing back so many memories. I remember always looking at the girls being like, I want that outfit, and this is very much giving me that outfit. So I'm hyped for this. So I'm definitely gonna wear this to like a birthday dinner for sure. And also under it does have like a bodysuit, so you do have like built-in undies, so I love. Now here's this little dress right here. This one has lots of strapping, lots of like loose fabric. So this is what it looks like from below. I'm trying to keep these up or else you guys are gonna see my sticky bra, but I could have tightened this a little bit tighter. You guys can really just adjust how you tighten this and how you wrap it, because all the wrapping is loose, so you can strap it up however you'd like and how tight you'd like it, but this is all like dragging on the floor too. Like the rest of it is just draping, and it's super pretty. Kind of gives me like mummy vibes. Here's a little close-up. And here. This dress right here is it. It snatches you the fudge up. You've got to be fucking lying. Wow, wow, wow. This little gold piece right here just really does it. Really just added some flair. But the way that this just snatches you up, I got this dress in a size extra small. I like to get all my dresses in an extra small, unless it doesn't look stretchy and there isn't a size extra small, I'll just get a small. I like the way that the extra small like really is able to accentuate my curves. It really just like tucks me in here, and I find that a lot of like small dresses don't cinch in here, and they kind of like, they're looser, they don't give me as much body. It really varies body by body, but this is so beautiful. It goes all the way down to your ankles. So beautiful. I can't wait to wear her. She's so cute. Okay, my camera actually stopped. I went to go put on some lashes in the meantime, and now we can get back to business. So I've got to tell you guys something about this dress here. I saw this on the site and I immediately screamed because it looked like, it just took my breath away. I've never seen a dress like this. So it's half bodysuit and then half covered up with like a slit type of moment. So pretty, but it was sold out of like every single size that could have fit me, like extra small and small. And I was like, oh man, like medium is gonna be too loose on me. So I like waited for this to get restocked. I also have it in black. The back's a little too much to show, but it is so beautiful. I can't wait to wear this to like a dinner or something. And this is the last dress for today, and look at the side sparkle. The side sparkle is everything. As you guys already know by now, I'm a sucker for sparkles. I love anything shimmery and shiny. Also, this is a lot tighter. It just looks a little bit bigger because I don't have anyone to tie me today. This is what she looks like tied in. This is what the silhouette looks like. It's so beautiful. I got this in a size small. I feel like this outfit I would wear to like a birthday brunch. Does everyone think like that? I don't know. I just feel like this is very brunchy, and then I feel like a long like diamondy dress is like for dinner, like a birthday dinner. That is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. If you guys want more Fashion Nova try on hauls or any try on hauls in general, let me know in the comments down below. I love doing these just because I love to give you guys the first look on all these beautiful products. All the items will be linked down below for you guys, so you guys can have quick and easy access, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.